Yeah, I'm going live. So I'll just take this in another room. I'm sure everybody wants to listen to fucking popcorn. Yeah, I want to fucking move. That's it. There we go. Yo, Beefcake. What's happening, man? I don't know. Not good. I'm sucking today. I mean, I don't know. I'm having mixed results. What's going on, everybody? Sorry for the late start. Just fucking little frantic today. Needed to go. I ran out of creamer for my coffee, and I needed another cup, so I had to fucking run to the store real quick to get some. Should have did it yesterday, but wasn't thinking about that because you know degenerates don't always think ahead. All right, I'm hiding my screen real quick, so I want to log into my Take Profit Trader account to show you guys how that is doing. You know, give you guys the full update on what's going on in my shit. Um, so I have some really good news. I got some good news and bad news. So it's like a mixed bag. So I have some really good news. I got some good news and bad news. It's like a mixed bag. A mixed bag of shit and gold at the same time. if that makes any sense. Um, we'll wait for more people to come in. Let me turn my screen sharing back on. Screen share. All right, screen is back on. I mean, today the market's been really fucking shitty. It's almost moving around like it would during the overnight. It's kind of annoying, actually. It's been real frustrating. Fucking shit everywhere. All right, need to get myself situated here. All right. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, I just don't like. I mean, it's just been fucking shitty. I don't really know how else to say it. Slowly grinded up, but I squandered some opportunities. Oh, thanks, John. Thanks, John. Also, John. Well, I'll wait for more people to come on, and then I'll let you guys know what's going on with that. It's just been a weird day, and I fucked up a couple of trades. I fucked myself a couple of times. So anyway, I haven't even traded in this account yet. I almost don't want to the way my day's going, but and where the shit is on the chart. Like I just don't like where we are, but I have to trade in it. I have to get my consecutive days in. So what up, Chris? Oh, Chris, I haven't seen you in a while. What's going on, man? Hope all is well. I don't know. When was the last time I seen you on a stream? Thursday? I don't know if I saw you Friday. I don't remember. I feel like I haven't seen you in a while. But what's good, man? I don't need these earbuds. I'm not on the phone anymore. And it's just this shit is just all over the place. It's so fucking annoying. Like how do you, this looks like it wants to flush, but then it doesn't. Like I mean, if I was to draw a fib right there, can I draw a fib on this shit? Probably. Let's see, drawing tools, Fibonacci. I guess not. I guess I can. It's 23, 100 minus 23.6. That's weird. Those are weird. Yeah, see, it's I mean, it wants to, and then it doesn't. We're just in this weird spot on the chart. I mean, if I were to put some moving averages up here, I mean, yeah, we got the 8 right here. We hit the pivot point, rejected a little off of it. We rejected a little bit off the pivot point, and then bounced and went through it and over it on the NQ and the Qs. But we're just in like no man's land right now. What's up, absent? What's going on, Russell? What's happening, Russell? Let me get rid of this fucking. How do I get rid of this? Oh, whatever. The chart. Oh yeah, let's just move it out of the way. I don't know how to exactly delete it. So I'm just going to move this fib nowhere near where we are right now. All right, is this going to be resistance here to 34, or are we just going to go all the way back up? Like it's just that's what it's been doing like for the last couple of hours. It's been really annoying. It's hard to trade in this type of environment, I guess, unless you're scalping for a handful of ticks. It's just weird. Where are we on the chart? Oh, all right, cool, man, Chris. Cool, bro. Appreciate you for hanging out, even if you're just lurking. Hope you're not copying my trades. Definitely don't copy the trades I make, because you never know with me. Nice, nice, absent. Lock in that money. Lock in the real money. You know what I mean? All right, so all right, I feel like there's enough people on. So all right, this is my take profit trader account. I did this last night during the overnight. I did it during the day too. I got about halfway. I got about halfway during the day, and then I hopped on the stream like later on after I got home from playing baseball. Everybody was sleeping, so I hopped on the stream and I made like one last trade. Well, I made two trades. One trade got kind of hairy, but it worked out. I just waited. I was patient, and I got my take profit trader test account over the 3K profit goal, and the only thing is I'm on day 3, so I'll have to trade Mike. I'll have to flip Michaels tomorrow and Wednesday, which is fine. I don't care because I'm over. I'll flip micros real quick, and then I'm done. And the best part about it is I don't have to pay the upgrade fee because I took advantage of their promotion. And you can too if you use code ZERODAYJAY, even if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account, they're special. Well, whether you have an account or not, they're running 40% off any size eval and then $0 fee to upgrade. So once you pass, you don't have to pay the fee, if you pass, obviously. So I passed, I'm passed. So on Thursday, I will be upgraded and I won't have to pay the $130 upgrade fee to go pro. And, pro in Take Profit Trader, pro is another way. They call being a funded trader, having a funded trading account, pro. Apex calls it a performance account. Everybody has a different name. But yeah, use code ZERODAYJAY. You can click on the link in the description below. Yada, yada, yada. Got to get the plug. I'm getting good at these trailing match, these freaking little segues into promotions. Not that it matters. I mean, you guys have been with me for a little while, most of you. So you already know what my codes are. If you want to support the channel, you always can. If not, no big deal. The fact that you're here watching, as far as I'm concerned, is support enough. I really appreciate it. But yeah. So let me get my. I gotta get my thumbnail in here. Live stream thumbnail. Boom. All right. Let's go back. I'm looking. I have my 2 laptops here. One I use for trading. The other one I use for like work stuff. But while I'm streaming, I don't want to see the comments. If I try to watch the comments on my main computer that the stream is coming from, that I'm trading from and stuff, then you'll be seeing me flip back and forth between like the chart and the fucking and the comments. So I'm not doing that. And I just passed 300 subscribers too, which is freaking awesome, man. Thank you guys. Trying to get to 3,000, but the first goal, is to get to 1,000. I feel like that would be a big accomplishment or a big like milestone or landmark. So I'm looking again. That's like I'm trying to get to 1,000 as quickly as possible. I just don't, obviously like the more I stream and all that stuff. Yeah, I know, Absent. I just read your comment. Yeah, Chris. Make sure you say what's up next time. Anyway, people left because of my shameless plug. People left. Anyway, all right. So this is the other thing that happened. So let me go to lucky number. Wow, damn, that was a dump. Where are we now? Oh, right at the pivot point. Are we bouncing off of this shit? Here's the upper VWAP band on the Qs. Here's the pivot point, and I missed it. Here's the pivot point on the NQ. They're pretty much in the same spot, give or take. Ugh, I missed it. What a fucking move. 29 to 30. Well, it's not a huge move. But yeah, so check this out. Number 57, lucky number 57. On Friday, we left off. My trailing match drawdown was 2,655 because I was still waiting for my payout to be approved. And then today it flipped to 655, which means my payout was officially approved. My first ever payout. Woo! First ever payout officially approved. I'll show you right here. I'm in my Apex account. I'll go to request payout page. Boom, approved. First ever payout as a funded trader, as a prop firm trader. Now I'm officially a funded trader, but before that I was just a prop firm trader. Now I'm a funded prop firm trader. First ever payout since it's been 6 months. It's approved. So that money will be getting dumped in my account whenever they dump it in. So super fucking exciting. Yeah, the first one is the hardest. It took me 61 funded accounts, 61 Apex funded accounts, and like 3 Take Profit Trader accounts. Not that I'm really counting those because, I mean, I should. 2 funded accounts. I'll be on my 3rd one in a second. So then, obviously, I've only been trained in micros. I just missed some fucking opportunities today. I'm only up $12 here. I might not even trade this anymore today because I'm just not liking the way the market's moving. And then I fucked this one up. I don't know. I was a little frazzled this morning. There was a lot of shit going on around me in the house. I mean, it's no excuse, but then I started trading. I should have just waited and just let everything kind of chill out. Let the freaking, environment around the house, chill out, and then I should have started trading, and I fucking found myself doing dumb shit, not playing by my rules. The market wasn't cooperating with my rules, but like then I was just I don't know what happened. But that account's gone, and then this happened with this account, and I still have 75 left. Oh my god, I'm gonna work. I thought this account was completely done. I'm gonna work this shit all the way back trading micros, but not today. Definitely not today. I'm done trading that account. I thought I nuked this one. I have $75 left. I'm gonna nurse that one back to health. You wait and see. I've been trying to do that. I tried to do that so many times, but I'm really gonna do it this time. I swear. And then this one I haven't traded yet. Um, and I'm like a little hesitant to because it's just been a weird day. Like, look at the way this shit's moving around. Like, is the 34 gonna hold resistance? I don't fucking know. Let's see. Let's see if the 34 holds resistance. I don't know if it will. Well, it is, but I didn't get filled. All right. Is it? Is it going to? I don't know. Doubtful. I just don't like where we're on the chart. Yeah, it's probably going to just pump and go all the way up to this fucking trend line here. So I'm going to have a fucking tight stop because I fucking hate the way this market's moving around today. Like, I really fucking hate this market today. No joke. No joke. So, thanks, Russell. Yeah. Thanks, Absent. Like, it's just all over the place. Like, now it's finally moving. It was moving so slow all day, but now obviously we're in power hour. The market's, see, I fucking knew it. I knew it, but I took it anyway. I just know, like, there's just nothing nothing is fucking working for me today. Let's fucking do that. Oh, you get filled. Of course. Let's see. Let's see. Let's fuck around. Let's fuck around and find out in a funded account. That's always fun. I'm gonna get fucked here. We're gonna go back. We're gonna make new highs right now while I'm in this fucking. Look at this shit. This is moving around like crazy. Moving around like fucking. Oh, it didn't take me out though. Shit, man. This shit's annoying. I hate the way the market's moving today. This is not a conducive environment for funded accounts. I'm just telling you right now. Look at this. It's like you can't rely on any fucking move. Come on, just take me out. Take me out. Get me the fuck out of here. I'm moving this down a little bit so maybe I can lock in more gains. If it does come back, I don't know if it will. It's just fucking Jesus. It's just so annoying. Nope, guess not. Oh my god, it's just all over the place. This is not the environment. I just don't. You can't rely on any move. Yeah, just take me out. Come on, just go down. It's gonna flush. Like if it does take me out, it's gonna flush by another like 10, 20 points because that's just been how the day's going in general, and for me specifically. Boom, here we go. Here comes fucking 20-point flush. I mean, at this point, should I just be happy with $43 the way this market's going? I don't fucking know. Look, there it goes. There it goes. I'm not in anymore. Woo! Fucking crazy day. Motherfucker, man. I don't know. Like, look, it's just shitty. So then, I thought I knew both of these. I'm so glad I still have this. I will fucking. I don't care how long it takes. I'm gonna nurse that one. I'm gonna nurse that one all the way back. This one's gone. But then, like, I got this. I thought I nuked them both, so I was like, let me get another fucking eval. So I got this eval. I have it up like $1,300. It's just so shitty. I gotta fix my moving averages. Maybe I should do that right now. So we got the 8. Let me change. Let me hide that shit because it looks like shit. All right. So SMA number 1, red, red, red. That's gonna be the 8. Then we got the 21 SMA number 2. I have that as green, if I recall. Number 21. All right. Number 3 is the 34. that really white? That's not really white. I'm gonna make sure it's fucking white. Now it's white. That's white. Yeah, it's white as snow right there. All right. Um, you know, I've always had the 89 on my charts. I don't even pay attention to it. Maybe because of the color I have it. But I want to add the 50. I want to add the 50 because I know a lot of people use like they go by like the 20 and the 50. I'm gonna add the 50 just because, and I'm gonna make it a color that I could fucking see, like this whatever this weird magenta color is. Is that or pink? I'm gonna make this the 50. I'm just working on. I'm in my trading view account, completely not paying attention to what's going on with the market. Let me just double check here. Look, see, like we're bouncing. Like this shit is all over the place. I could have played that bounce, literally bounce off the 34. This teal line is the 34 EMA. The white line is the 34 SMA on the one. Well, I don't even want like right here. So it went down another 2 points or so after I got taken out to the downside, and then it popped from 41 back to 48 and change off the 34 EMA. Now, like, look what's going on. It's like it's so bad what's going on today. All right, let me get back to this chart. Yeah, awful. At night it wasn't bad. Like the overnight it wasn't bad. All right, so that number 4 is going to be the 50. Number 5 is going to be the 200, which I always have is this bright yellow. What the fuck? Make this line. Oh, it's not letting me change the size of the line. That's fucking weird. Number 6 is going to be the 300, which I always do orange. Make that shit bright. I know I'm not even looking at the chart because I know we're just chopping around like all fucking day. All right, number 7. Do I really care about the 377? I'll just throw it in there for shits and giggles. Like that's like the last line of resort. But whatever, let it be there just in case I notice something happening there. Like I don't pay attention too much. I don't pay attention as much to the moving averages anymore. I do. I mean, I don't want to. That's not true. But like I will. Whoops, wrong fucking purple. I will like take it off my chart completely because I just when we're hanging out with the orb, we're hanging out by the orb and the pivot points and VWAP. I just like playing by that stuff. And maybe it costs me money, whatever. That's how I like to play. It's been pretty good to me so far since I established those rules and wait for those setups. All right. What does precision mean? Whatever that means. All right. Then we go to visibility. Okay, whatever. Input 8, 21, 34, 50. SMA 5, 200, 300. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. I should have left the 89 in there. But you know what? I don't want the 89 in there. How about that? All right, so let's see what we got here. This is the 50. This little pinkish line is the 50. Cool. This does not look like the regular red that I use for the 8. Style. Yeah, it's not red enough. Oh, I know, because I didn't do the opaque. Oh, this is what I was looking for, the fucking thickness. I don't need them to be super thick. Maybe the second size. Yeah, whatever. There we go. For the 8. The 21, I don't really care as much, but for the 34, I love the 34, so I'm gonna make that a little thicker so I don't miss it. The 50, these are not the same fucking color. That's what that's supposed to be. All right, the 200. These, I like the 200 thicker. Get this shit the fuck out of the way. It's fucking me up. All right, the 200. Make that thicker. Thicker. Oh, that was real thick. I don't want it that thick. Thicker. Although they are major levels a lot of times. All right, 377. I could care less about that. Let's see how it looks now. See, look, we're just literally chopping around. This is the 5-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. For the last hour, we've literally gone nowhere other than sideways. There have been like little moves in between, but like nothing. Looks like we're coming down to the pivot point, maybe. But this is just shit, man. I'm not loving this one. What's up, Captain Crush? Yeah, I saw you subscribe, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the Degen shit show. I post, I mean, I don't know if you've come across, yeah, you've obviously found me because you came across my videos. So, like, during trading, regular trading hours, I will stream towards the end of the day. I ideally like to get on anytime between, 1:30 and 2 o'clock, but the last bunch of streams I've been getting on like right before power hour. Today I was a couple of minutes late. I had to run to the store to get creamer for my coffee, and then I'll stream at night during the overnight too if I'm trading. So if I'm trading during the overnight, like when everybody's sleeping in my house, I will stream like I did last night. And last night I pushed my take profit trader test account over the 3K profit goal. So I will be funded on Thursday. I will be back to fund it on Take Profit Trader. Really excited about that because they have one. You don't have to wait. You don't have to trade 10 days in a row to get fucking, get to pull actual money out. You could do it on day one. I'm not going to try to do it on day one, but you can. The buffer is only 2,000. You just got to be careful with Take Profit Trader if you're still a little, if you're trading with Apex. It's easier to be reckless with Apex because the trailing max drawdown is more forgiving. Take Profit Trader does have a daily loss limit. So if you like on a 50K, if you go down 1,100, the account is nuked. So you gotta be much more disciplined with Take Profit Trader. But the trade-off is you could get paid on day one. But you could get paid every day once you get over the threshold. You literally request money every day if you want. So that's why I've been attracted to Take Profit Trader. Wow. Wow. Look at this. All right, so look where we are. Are we bouncing here? We're basically at the pivot points on the NQ. We're at the pivot point and the upper VWAP band. Wait, let me see. Is that a moving average? Hide. Oh, yeah. Upper VWAP band and the pivot point on the Qs. Oh, I wish I got in. Oh. Do I chase it? Maybe I'll get another opportunity. Nice job, Futures Savant. Nice job. What's up, man? Oh, I missed it. See that bounce right off the fucking pivot point and the upper VWAP band. Look at that. How many points is that? Hard to tell there. It's like 5 or 6 points. Not a ton. Not a huge move. I kind of have this like compress, like open so I could see. Sometimes when there's big moves, like it'll compress on Tradeovate, and like you think like a little move like this might end up being 20 something points, and like damn, well that happened quick. All right, let's see if this 34 holds, because you know why? Because fuck it. What's up, guys? We got 20 people watching right now. What is going on? Market's been a little rough today. I only have my lucky number 50 Slevin up $12 today, and I'm perfectly fine with that because my trailing max drawdown is low because I just got my first ever payout request approved. So I had 2,655. Now it was 655. I traded a couple micros. I just don't like the way the market's moving. I got my trade in for the day, so it counts. I wouldn't say I flipped it. I was in the position for a while. That's just what I ended up with. So I'm not even fucking with that account because it's been a crazy day. I fucked this account up. That's gone, number 63. This one's almost gone. I didn't realize I had some room left, which is awesome. I'm pretty sure I do. I guess it's right there. So I'm going to nurse that one back to health with micros and see if I could do it. And then 65, I'm only up like $43 because it's just, am I going to get filled here? Oh, fill me. Give me another chance. I wish I got that. Look at that rejection off the fucking 34s. Yeah, so here it is. Approved. Woohoo! Approved. My first ever payout. For those of you that are just hopping on the stream now, welcome. Am I gonna get this or what? Right there. Maybe I should get put my order in a little lower. Get greedy. Right here. Let's see what happens. That would have been it right there. I would have gotten filled there. Let's see if I fucked myself. Looks like I might have. What was my original order? 41.25. Look, it's up. 41. No, 33.75 is what I canceled at. What did it come down to? Yup, I would have gotten filled, and I'd be up right now. Damn, such an idiot. Thanks, Captain Crush. What an idiot I am. This gonna hold? No, now it's not gonna hold. Nope. Oh my God. You see what I did there? Cost myself like $140 minimum. I'm not chasing that shit. Look, there's just more chop, man. Chop, 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 chop. I should have fucking known better. Like, we're at the pivot point. We're gonna pump at this point. I think. I don't know. I'm not taking a short here. I don't trust it. Oh my God. 34 to 4, 34, 33.75 to 9 points. Yeah, we're fucking going for a ride now. Now I think this will be support. So if we come back here to the 34, even though, oh, look at that. 12 points. I missed out on 12 fucking points because I got greedy and I got greedy. Oh my God, 15 points. Unbelievable. It's just been that kind of day for me, bro. My people, my friends. That's just how it's been today for me. What an idiot. I'd be done. I'd be done. 17 points. No, 15 points. I'd be done with this account. Like, I like to get up like at least 200, 250, 300. I'd be done. All I had to do. Let's see if I just mark it in short. Let's see if it pays off for me. It probably won't because just the way this day's been going for me. But we're kind of at an area of resistance here. Let's see if it holds. I doubt it. But I'm willing to fucking do it, take a shot. Force some trades for the stream. Let's force trades. Forcing trades is always a good idea during a live stream. Yeah, that's what happens. Fuck me, man. Well, there goes all my $43 in gains. Let's add some more. Why the fuck not? Fucking, that's the type of mood I'm in today. Fucking annoyed. Just, I fucked myself over here. I'm so fucking pissed. So stupid. I only added because this is kind of like an area of resistance, but I thought this was an area of resistance and it turned out to not be. And we're in fucking power hour, so let me just give myself some protection in case it just decides to fucking algo candle up at a moment's notice. I'm gonna get stopped out. But whatever. What's up, Op Man? Just stop me out already. Fucking take me out of my misery. Oh shit. Not yet. Not yet. It's gonna make me suffer through this a little bit longer. I hate where this mark. Yeah, there we go. Fucking knew it. What an idiot. This was the trade right here. That was the trade. I would have stopped. Okay, now it's gonna come back. Now it's gonna come all the way back. Oh, I'm so fucking annoyed. I should just stop trading in all my funded accounts right now. Where the fuck are we on the chart? It's coming up this far. I knew it. I fucking knew it. Here we go. Now it's gonna dump. Now I got stopped out, so it's going to dump now because I got stopped out. That's how this day's going. I hate this day. Worst fucking. Well, just fucking take me out. This is what I wanted before. It's just not happening, man. Well, it's going to take me out here and then go down 20 points. That's just the way it's been. I'm locking in fucking games. I don't trust this shit. Don't trust it. All right. Almost back to break even. Woohoo! Nah, my take profit account. No, I haven't touched that shit, bro. It's my Apex stuff. You were on the stream. You were on the stream last night or this morning. I haven't touched it. I'm done trading this thing. This thing is over. All I have to do now is just trade some micros. Flip a micro tomorrow. Flip a micro on Wednesday, and then I'm golden. You know, I'm in my Apex account. What's up, everybody? What's going on? We have 27 people on the stream right now. 28, including me with my other laptop. Thank you for hanging out. You missed me completely. Fuck myself on a trade here. I had the order at 33.75, and then I canceled it. Where is it? Right here. You see that? I canceled it because I got greedy and then went a point lower. And what happens? It gets filled at 33. It goes down to 33.50. So I would have gotten filled here and gotten like a 15-point move. And I'd be done trading in this account because I was only in one. I don't know if I would have taken it all the way up there, but I probably would have gotten at least to the 34, you know, and then raised my stop to the 34 and then got taken out. So it would have still been a good trade. I probably would find myself up around $200 overall. And the way today's going, I would have just said, yeah, fuck it. That's good enough. But now, you know, I gave back my $43 in gains. I don't care. It's not that big of a deal. But like, it's just been one of those weird days. What's going on? What's up, Rosales? Lefty, what's happening? Oh wait, you weren't on. I thought that was Opman. Opman was on the stream last night. Lefty, yeah, dude, Lefty. So I got this up last night during the overnight, and half of it I got up before I got on the stream, like throughout the overnight, like at some different points in the day, and then on the overnight. I mean, then I got on late at night during the stream. I pushed it over. So this take profit trader test account is officially in funded territory. I just need to flip micros tomorrow and Wednesday, and I took advantage of their no upgrade fee promo. You get 40% off of any evaluation, any test account, 40% off any size test account. And then if and when you pass the test, whenever that happens, you don't have to pay the upgrade fee, which is the upgrade fee is $130 with Take Profit Trader. I will pay nothing on Thursday. So just use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. Click on the link in the description below, or if you already have an account and you go to get a new test account and you want to take advantage of that promotion, just put in ZERODAYJ as the promo code and you'll be good to go. And you'll be supporting the channel, so thank you. If not, no big deal. We're cool no matter what. So anyway, let's get back to this fucking shit here. Yeah, I just hate the way this shit is moving. What's up, Tapa? All right, so Reed, you took your first loss in like 67 days. That's okay. Now you're back green. So now you're going to go on another 60-day green streak. Today wasn't great for me either. Even though I passed my Take Profit Trader account. Which is awesome. And then my payout request from Apex, my first ever prop firm trading payout, has finally been approved. This is coming into my bank account. That's from trading. So I'm super fucking pumped about that. I don't even care as much about the other shit that's going on. Oh, nice, Tapa. Good job. Good job. That's okay, Tactical. Do you still have them, bro? You know I got to ask. Because me and you are one and the same in that regard. Hopefully you still have them. I'm taking it that you, the fact that you're saying but you didn't, I'm taking that you came really close to the daily loss limit and then you hopefully had enough self-control to stop. Please tell me that's what happened, because that's not the end of the world. Nice, Ree. 6K payout approved. Awesome. That's fucking. I bet that covers a lot of your nut, right? Whatever, wherever, wherever. I don't know what your bills are. Obviously, it's none of my business, but I bet that covers. That definitely pays for some bills, Yeah, well, take your time, man. Take your time, bro. Today was a shitty day to trade, to be honest with you. Look at this. This is rejecting out of nowhere. I guess we couldn't get over the high day. Right there. But how much for, like, we're approaching, wow, 30 people on the stream. What's up, everyone? Thank you. We're approaching crazy time. 12:45, 4 more minutes before the 350 New York time algo candle and the 355 algo candle hit us. Wow, that's a nice little. All right, let's see. I will fucking not one, not two. Oh, too late. Fuck, man, this shit's just murder bots. Yeah, this shit is not cooperating with me. Just all day. All day it's been like this for me. Damn. I wanted to play a 34 bounce, and before I could even get the order in, it fucking already went off. And I fucked myself here. That was awesome. I had the order in, I would have gotten filled, and I'd be done trading this account. Let's just put it that way. That's how today's been going for me. But how many accounts? I had 4 funded Apex accounts. I fucked this one up today, unfortunately. I still have this one. This is lucky number 57. I traded very lightly with this one because the market is just sucking right now. Are we going to make new highs right here? The market is sucking, and my trailing max drawdown is, because I got the payment approved, because my payment was approved, now my trailing max drawdown is reflecting that. So I only had 655, so I'm done trading this shit today. Fuck this market today. This one I fucked up in the morning. Just wasn't a good start to the day. This one I nuked. This one I just botched a couple of trades, like I thought. So I was trading in multiple accounts. Like I was trading in 57 in this, and like I thought I had orders in, and I was flipping between micros and minis, and I just fucked up, and it just got out of control. But I do have $75 left. So what I'm going to do with this one is just trade micros. It'll be a cool little project. I don't even care about it. If it gets nuked, it gets nuked. But I'm going to do my best to nurse it back to, health. 1 or 2 micros at a time. Really pick and choose my spots there. All right, I guess we made new highs here. New highs? I think that's a new high. Anyway, so we're at new high a day. And then this one, so I technically have 3. And then I got a new eval. It's up like $1,300. I might try to push it depending on what this happens here. Yeah, this shit right here is. I might fucking play this. 18,172. Yeah, let's fucking do that with this account. Oh, is it too late? So let's see. Here comes the algo candle. This is just an eval account, so whatever. Yeah, I hope so. That's what I'm hoping for. And then on the 65, I mean, I'll do one. I guess the pullback is happening right now. I think we're going to go bloop and then come back down, but I've been wrong before, so I don't know. I would love to get filled around here at the top of this channel and then fucking dump. But I don't know. This might be the dump right here. It's already down 7 points from the top. But we'll know in 20 seconds and counting. Andy, what's going on, man? What's up, Andy? No, I got three accounts, Ree. I have three still because this one's not completely new. It's number 64. I have $75. Oh, wait, that's 65. I have $75. Here we go. Uh, that was it. That was fucking lame. I have $75 remaining, so I have three still. But I don't know what's going to happen here. Are we going to pop? Oh, I would love to fucking get filled there. I don't know what's going on. Where are we on the fucking chart? I don't want to do anything stupid. Oh, man, just fucking fill me. Damn. All right, let's see if we go up. Ugh. Probably won't because I'm in long. Like it's just been that kind of day for me. No, algo candle is. Cha. I guess I was wrong again. Wrong again today. Fuck, man. I'll play a bounce here though. An algo candle is basically 10 minutes before the market closes. There's always like this crazy like big candle that goes up or down, and then 12:50 or 3:50 Eastern time and 3:55. There's always some big move in either direction, and we call it the algo candle. Some people call it like Opman calls it the murder bot. And what's going on? How do you say that? Say. What's happening? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the Degen show. I'm definitely going full Degen today. It's been a rough day. It's been a mixed bag. There's been good positives and negatives. Wow, that came all the way back. Is it going to hold? That'd be cool. Ugh, I guess not. Is this 9 going to hold? I support. You know what? I'll take fucking, if we could get near the higher day, I'll take that. Yeah. No, I don't, I've heard of ICT. I've never watched a single ICT video. I've learned from other people, just random people, just watching people do their thing and that break down their methodologies and and I got a good friend that's really good at trading that I've learned from. So I pick up things here and there and stuff that I could see and I look at when there's people that I respect that are doing good things, I watch what they like to look for and then I as that happens, I pick up strategies along the way that I like that work for me that I could see because everybody, there's 33 of us in this stream right now and in the chat. I guarantee you, we all have different things that we look at, without a doubt. Oh yeah, I'm locking this shit in. I don't care what happens here. I'll lock that in. I hope it keeps going a little bit more, but I'll take this. Okay, that's fine. Why do I have this as a +1? I meant that to be a red. I meant that to fill me to the short side. Thank God I noticed that. All right, so now I'm basically back where I was +5 bucks. Woohoo! Woohoo! How long have I been trading? How long? I've been trading prop firm. I've been trading NQ futures doing this prop firm stuff since about the middle of October. Finally secured my first ever payout as a prop firm trader. There it is, approved with Apex. And if you want to try out Apex, use my coupon code in the description below. Get you 80% off any size eval. Even if you already have an account, it'll get you 80% off your next eval. And it's one day to pass right now. I'm gonna pop it in there because why not? Walkie, what's up, man? So this is my Apex code. And then my Take Profit Trader code is Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader coupon. ZERODAYJAY. My name. I'm still waiting for the custom code from fucking Apex, but they're being annoying. Uh-oh, I got filled. What the fuck? Uh-oh. What am I in? What just happened? Oh no! I forgot I had that order in. Well, that's not good. Let's see if I get the algo dump here. I'll take this much. Forgot all about that. Good thing I had the volume on. Oh, that's fucking bad. That's not bad. It's my fucking eval account. I don't even fucking care. To be honest, I do care, but this isn't going the way I thought it would go. Oh my god. Are we over this? Well over that. Ugh. That is not good. Let's fucking double up, because why the fuck not? Maybe the 1255 algo candle is gonna dump for me. 9. Maybe not. I might nuke this shit right now. I don't want to nuke it, but fuck it. Yeah, let me fucking give myself some protection so I don't completely fuck myself. It's just a fucking, it's just an eval account, but whatever. I don't want to nuke it. Yeah, today's been just that kind of day for me. Wasn't paying attention. Oh, come on, baby. Come all the way back. Come on. Let's go. I'm blowing on it. You ever see those videos with the fucking degens with the trying to blow the fucking candle where they want it to go? Hey, let me not completely fucking fuck this account. Oh, I was up. I was up 77. I was up like 3 points, 4 points almost. Oh well. Let's see what happens here. I'm probably gonna get taken out. It's only right. It's because it's been that kind of day. That's good. Say. I've been trading other stuff, other instruments, you know. But the prop firm stuff is I'm 6 months deep. Here we go. Take me out. Take me out. Fucking knew it. Knew it. Hey, let's do it again. How much? How much room do I have? 1,500. Let's try it again. I don't know if I'm gonna be so. I don't know if I'm gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna work out. Nope. Nope. Oh. Nope. How much? I mean, I'm fucking whatever. That could go away. That could disappear real fast. The way this shit's going. Can we talk one on one about what? Why don't you just talk with me here? I'm not looking for a coach or anything. I don't even. Oh, it's new. Yeah, I did see that, Peter. Um, just post it in here, bro. Post it in here. Anything you could tell me, you could tell the rest of us. Oh well, shit happens. That's why you get evals, because when shit ain't going your way, you nuke the evals and not the funded accounts. Now we're gonna go down, maybe. Now I'm just trading. Just now I'm just doing dumb shit because I'm in dumb shit mode, and I don't fucking care. Yeah, I mean, just, I mean, yeah, bro, I'm all about it, man. But I don't really have the bandwidth to be talking to people one on one. To be honest with you, I have multiple businesses, multiple companies. I have 4 kids. You know, now this is another endeavor for me, streaming and doing all this shit, streaming and trading. So, just you could shoot me a DM if you want. I mean, I'll listen. I just don't really have the bandwidth for anything else in addition to everything else I'm doing. Yeah, give me this fucking flush right here. Fuck, man. It just won't. It just won't do it. Just won't flush. Maybe it flushes at 1 o'clock. Yeah, I know, dude. I'm well aware. I'm in control of my emotions. Just today just sucked, and I don't care. It's a fucking eval. And even if I passed it, I don't even think it would matter because we're on. The 10. It wouldn't even be in time. Yeah, this market is fucked. It's just gonna keep pumping. Yeah, look at that. Look at that shit go. Woohoo! Is it 1 o'clock yet? We're gonna get the 1 o'clock flush. I'll fucking head right now. Fuck it. Man, this shit is moving. Now it's moving. It took all day for this to happen. Yeah, I ain't waiting for 228. I'll tell you that much, out man. I'll lock that in. At this point, the way this day is going, I'm up 122 in this account. I'm taking it. I'm done trading in that funded account. Yeah. You see that self-control, say. I'm done trading in this account. Leaving the account green. So, whatever. What's up, Inversionista? What's going on? Nah, I mean, we're going to flush. I don't know what we're going to do. Whoops, wrong fucking page. Oh, well, you saw that. Man, what a pump. I mean, we got the pivot point right here. Do we have any other pivot points? Let me see what the hourly is looking like. Yeah, I did. I passed it last night during the overnight. I'll show you in a second. We got a daily pivot point. Let's see if there's any daily pivot points on the Qs. No, we're nowhere near a daily pivot point. 15. Let's see the hourly. Hourly is, hourly is up there. Close to what Opman says. What Opman was saying. The daily, nah, they make it easy. No, today was awful. You had to wait all day for that move, basically. We chopped for like an hour and a half before that happened. You know, could have went either way. But I'm gonna show. Oh, here we go. New high day. Oh, we hit 200. So that's a key psychological level. I'll be right back. I literally have to. I'm gonna pee my pants. If you guys bounce because you don't want to wait for me to finish peeing, thanks for hanging out. I love you guys. But I gotta pee. So hang out. Ah, people left. They always leave when I go to pee. But thank you. Thanks for hanging out. Think or swim? I don't like think or swim. I like Trading View. I could have multiple tabs next to each other, multiple charts on the same page, but I just don't do it. I haven't really tried. I haven't really messed with it. I used to. I might try it again just to have the Q and the NQ literally on the same tab instead of bouncing around. But I'm good with Trading View. So that was it. I guess that was the market. Oh, there's the rejection. Down 14 points already. Uh, yeah. I mean, I got Trading View. I have Trade Evade open. What I'm gonna need at some point is a stronger machine because when I stream, it gets a little laggy when I'm streaming lately. So I really need to upgrade my 2015 MacBook Pro. It's been good for a while. Excuse me. It's been good for a while, but lately it's just getting abused. I was using OBS for a little bit. I love OBS, but I'm gonna have to wait until I get a bigger account. I mean, a bigger Mac. Yeah, I mean, we're pretty much done. What do we bounce off? Let me go back. Let me get off the daily. 5 minute. Yeah. Well, I mean, I have like look. So this is my setup right now. I got my trading laptop is where the stream is pulling from because that's where all my charts are on and all that stuff. And then I have this is my work laptop that I use for my work stuff. Um, and I watch the stream on this laptop um, so I could do whatchamacallit, so I could monitor the chat without flipping back and forth to the chat screen on the screen I'm streaming from. I don't have a cool setup. I don't have a desktop. I don't want a desktop. I don't want to be. I like to hang out in the kitchen on the big island in my house. Right now. I'm in another kitchen area. Um, so I kind of like to be able to move freely. Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I'm looking. I'm gonna get a. Yeah, I'm gonna get another Mac. I don't like buying anything new anymore because you don't have to. But I'm gonna grab a Mac that's I'm gonna grab a Mac with like an M1 chip and like 32 gigs of RAM, and that should be enough to do what I want to do. Well, it'll be enough to do what I'm doing now, but without experiencing any type of like lag and just resource drainage. And Chrome itself, like Chrome is a resource sucker too, man. Chrome is like a vampire. What are we doing here? Not bad. Basically coming back. I mean, we're gonna come back. I don't think we're gonna come back this low. The day's almost over. No, I don't like desktop. I don't like desktop. Topper. I like to chill out in my house where my family's hanging out. You know, and not everyone's always in the same area at the same time, but You know, if I'm in the kitchen, we have like it's like an open air. It's got an open floor plan. So there's a really big island. I'm not in my kitchen right now because my son, right as I was coming on the stream, decided to make some popcorn. So I relocated here because who wants to hear that? Um, but um, there's like right now, like this is like the ensuite of the house. Um, it's like a separate apartment, like a mother daughter type thing. But there's a kitchen in here, and this is like where the kids do their schoolwork. So I'll hang out in here. But I like to hang out in the kitchen primarily. That's pretty much where I work all the time. There's a huge island in the middle of the room, you know. So I hang out there. So yes, I ain't trading the ES. So if you trade the ES, I hope you're catching some of it. Some people like the desktops though because like my boy Evan, who's also my business partner. Well, he's not a Mac guy, so he's a PC guy. That's one, and then two, he likes to have for work stuff and trading and all that. He likes to have. He has like I forgot how many monitors he has. Like 3 or 4 monitors now. So he likes the desktop setup. He hangs out in his office and he just chills there all day. I'm not. I've done that before. I don't like it. I kind of like just being able to bring my laptop wherever. I'll go sit in my massage chair and work in my massage chair. I don't care. You know, give myself a massage while I'm working or whatever. But everybody has their own preferences. Like Tapa says, why don't you don't like desktop? So I guess Tapa likes desktop. Everybody's different. All right, Captain Crush. Tactical man. Um, I usually I usually stream. Well, I stream every day during regular trading hours, but my goal every day is to get on around like 1:30, 2 o'clock Eastern time. But lately, like the last 3 or 4 streams, I've been getting on right around power hour. Like right before it today was like right after it started because I had to run to the store to get creamer for my coffee. I needed that second cup. But I like to get on around like 1:30, 2 o'clock Eastern time, and I'll stream to and through the close. Um, and then like at night, if I'm trading at night during the overnight, like after my wife and kids are sleeping, if I'm trading, I will pop on the stream and like I would do that and like no one would be on. And then all of a sudden one night, like 2 weeks ago, one night there was like 10 people on. I'm like, holy shit. So ever since that night, I've been streaming like I'd say like at least 3 or 4 days a week at night during the overnight, and there's always a good turnout. So I'll just keep doing it because we're all just hanging out. Some people that are power hour. Where are you, Sage? Where are you located? Power hour is 3 o'clock. It starts at 3 o'clock EST, New York time. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I don't mess. You're in Cali, dude. You're on the West Coast. All right. Yeah, I'm in Vegas, bro. I'm in Vegas. So yeah, for us, power hour is at noon. It starts at noon, 12 o'clock. So I like to, in terms of West Coast time, ideally I'd like to get on around 10:30, 11, but it's probably going to be more like 11 most times. It really depends if I get a bunch of stuff I need to get done beforehand. When I'm done doing all that, like making kids breakfast, feeding my dogs, feeding myself, then I'll hop on. But yeah, I catch the London trading session a lot of times when I'm streaming during the overnight. Andy, good question. I've been I've pulled all nighters and have been around for the market open, and it just moves around way too crazy for me personally. I've nuked a lot of accounts. I've nuked multiple funded accounts during the market open. Um, so I'll never do that again. Plus, it's like 6:30 in the morning for me, and if I'm streaming at night, if I'm up at night trading the overnight and I'm up till like 2 in the morning, I'm up. There's times that I got to wake up and take one of my kids to work. They open the store that they work at 6 o'clock. Some days I don't know if they do it during the week though. So I'll wake up, but I need more than 3 or 4 hours of sleep. So I don't know, but I know there's a lot of people. I would get a lot of more people on the stream. But having kids and dogs and all that shit. Yeah, it's not easy, but it's doable. I mean, I just got my first ever payout with all that. If anyone says that's why they don't, if anyone says that's why they haven't been able to succeed at anything, is they're just making fucking excuses. But I get it. You just gotta learn how to. Oh wow, learn how to adjust. Nice 18-point dump from the top. This shit is still going. I'm almost tempted. I'm almost tempted to fucking take one right here. Can I do it in time? Why the fuck not? I really should do this with a new fucking eval, but I'll do it here. Let's see what happens if I get filled here. Yeah, I've traded six. I think I answered your question. I think I answered this, but yeah, I've traded the London session plenty of times because I'll just happen to be up when it opens. Yeah, Andy, it's just not in my sleep schedule to be up then. I pretty much answered that in a roundabout way. Yeah, I've been patient most of the time. Oh no, it's Apex in Virginisa. It's Apex. They approved me. You know how I figured it out before I looked in the account? So here's PA number 57. This was sitting at 2,655 while the payout was pending. Now it's only at no. I traded. I made $12, but it was at 655. That's how I knew that it was approved. And if I go into my Apex account, account summary, I got logged out. Hold on. Did I get filled? I'm not even looking. Oh, I just missed getting filled. That's so fucked up. That's so fucked up. Again, that's been, dude, all day today. You know how many times I just missed getting filled and missed monster fucking moves? I'll take one here. Nope, ain't gonna give it to me. Maybe? Yes? No? So fucking annoyed. I literally just missed getting filled by like 3 ticks. Is Apex hard to get funded by? Not really. Apex is easy. There's no easier, I'd say, because some people have never been funded before, but I've funded 65 accounts at this point, so it's pretty easy for me. Yeah, Tapa. I did see that. I've been wanting to give Top Step another try. I had a weird, not so great experience with them when I first started doing all this, just account related bullshit. I never even got to trade. Um, so I'm gonna get another account. All right, I'm filled. Let's see if it just dumps. Yeah, I added that fill. Let's see if I get filled in my original order. I mean, we could fucking go down another leg here, but I do like playing the 34 for a bounce. We got the 34 EMA in teal, and then we got the 34 SMA in white. And there's always bounces and rejections off of those levels, especially since we haven't touched it yet since we came down from this top. So it's usually a good opportunity to play a bounce. Or if it's the first time since being down and coming back up, it's great for a rejection. Yeah, Apex is the easiest. Yeah, the problem with I don't want to say it's a problem. They just all have their own challenges. But you got to trade 10 days in a row, and you can't you got to be consistent. They don't want you violating the consistency rules, which is 30. It's a loose consistency rule, but they don't want you going up more than 30% of your overall profit in any one given trading day. And you got to survive. It's been tough for me to have an account to get an account to survive. 10 days. It took me this many, but it's just because I'm an immature trader that I'm getting better every day. All right, I locked in some gains. Every day and every way, I'm becoming a better trader. Um, every day and every way, I get better as a trader. I just keep saying that enough. Say that enough times about anything, like it'll start happening. But I've gotten better. I've actually secured a payout. So I'm going to hide my screen. I just locked in another. Oh, look at that pop. Knew that was going to happen because I just got taken out. I knew it. Always happens. But I got another $40. No complaints here. Exit all positions and cancel just in case. I'm gonna hide my screen. Still got a lot of people. I'm gonna hide my screen so I can log into my Apex account and uh, show Inversionista. All right, so now you see my ugly mug. Uh, in terms of, hey, Captain Crush, are you asking me my typical target is in terms of what I'd like to get from a trade? If that is what you're asking on a funded account, I would love to get enough points. I would love to get enough, whether I'm in one or two lots or whatever, one or two minis. I would love to get enough to go up, to be up anywhere from 200 or more. That's basically where I'm at. Once I get there, maybe I'll push a little more. But if I could do it in one trade, that's like the best. I haven't today. It just wasn't happening. But there's been a lot of days lately where I'm getting, I'm making one trade or two trades tops, and I'm fucking done for the day. I move on to the next account. But today was just not one of those days. It was fucking. Today was a rough day for trading. But anyway, all right. So Inversionista. Um, Yeah, Top Frag. What's up, man? I'll show you right now. Inversionista, it's my Apex account. You were asking me if I got approved for Take Profit Trader. It's my Apex. So here it is. Boom. 2000. I requested it on the 2nd of May. Got approved today. So whenever, I don't know when I guess they'll pay in the middle, the 15th or whatever. I don't know when it actually gets paid out. Um, the actual day that it pays out, but it's officially approved. So that's fucking awesome. It's my first ever payout. Do I use a bracket? What do you mean? Like, do I? I'm not sure what you mean by that. TFT. Which one is that? The funded trader? I think that's what you're talking about. I've heard of that one. There's so many of them. A target and stop bracket. Yeah, I'll put it. I'll put a. I mean, yeah, I'll put a sell order in. Like if I think like, especially if I'm trading like the. I mean, we're way out of my way out of my happy spot. But if I'm trading like, I like to trade between like pivot points and VWAP and bottom orb and top orb. Like I will set targets like for the next level. Like so, if I get filled at the bottom, the lower VWAP band, I'll set an order for either like in this case, I would set an order, a sell order for like the top orb or VWAP, you know, to sell to get out, and then the stop. I mean, I'm a little looser with my stops, like because if it drops down, it depends on how close all these levels are to each other. I'll add if they're close by, you know. But damn, look at this. We're up 5 more points since I got out. I'd need another $100, but whatever. This is up 159. The way today's been, I'll take that as a win. Yeah, safe, man. Apex is not a scam. So neither is Take Profit Trader. It seems like you're experienced. You have experience trading. Um, if you're messing around with forex, I mean, Take Profit Trader is not a bad option. I like them, um, but they do have daily loss limits. So it's not the type of account you want to go on full tilt or trade big, unless you're a disciplined trader. Apex is good too. Um, I like Apex, obviously. Yeah, the funded trader. I've heard of them before. Yeah, I've only used the fund. I've only used Apex and Take Profit Trader, and I have no issues with either one of them. They were filling people at bad spots. Were you market? Yeah, that's fucked up. Yeah, were you market filling or were you? Did you have orders? Like, did you have orders in? I noticed that slippage, even if you have orders placed, I noticed that slippage happens when there's low volume. Yeah. So you had orders in. Yeah, slippage happens when there's low volume. I noticed that. It happens on TradeAway too, but not during the day, not during like regular trading hours. I can see it happening here. The issue, like, I don't know when you're trading, but if there's low volume, like, look at the spread now. The spread now is about 2 ticks. And then like at night, sometimes the spread gets to like three ticks, which is brutal because you think you're getting filled in a good spot, but you don't. You're already down. Depending on your size, if it's one mini, you're already down $15 just because the fucking spread is too much. Yeah, they're literally. I wonder if I could see them all doing that in some way, shape, or form, trying to trade against their people so they could get them the fucking nuke accounts. Who do you just never know, man. You just got to try to be. You got to just. I could see that happening during lower volume times, not during regular trading hours, because during regular trading hours, like they don't. I don't think I can't see any of these funded any of these prop firms having enough liquidity to really move the market during regular trading hours. But I can see it happening during like really slow times, and they just fuck with people. But yeah, I'm fucking done trading. I don't need to do anything else. I've done enough. I've done enough get damage and good today. This was unfortunate because I had this one up to like, look, I was up $1,500. Oh well, it is what it is. They're being sued for it. Shit. Well, I'm glad I'm not. I never decided to use them. I like to base it on how much like traffic a website's getting too. It's always a good indicator, and where they're getting their traffic from. So if you look at Apex, um, this is a cool site, similarweb.com. I do online marketing, so that's why I know about this stuff. But so check this out: Apex Trader Funding. I hope it shows me. Sometimes it'll tell me that I need to upgrade. Fuck. Well, let's see if I could do it in Brave. SimilarWeb. They used to just let you do as many fucking searches as you want. ApexTraderFunding.com. Start your free account? Fuck you. Hold on a sec. I'll do it in here. I still have. And I'm not saying fuck you to you, bro. I'm saying it to fucking SimilarWeb. I would go VPN to get this search, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it in my other computer. Here we go. So, and I'm going to send myself a screenshot, and then I'll text myself a screenshot and open it up. But check this out. Um, Apex gets a ton of traffic. Category rank. They rank number 69 in their category, which is, I guess, finance and investing. That's pretty high considering all the major. All right, let's see. Jason. Jesus. All right, here we go. That's that. And then I'll show you this also. It's always a good indicator, like what country they're getting their traffic from, too. Like if most of their traffic is obviously they'd have, depends on what instrument. If it's Forex, it's probably going to be a lower percentage of U.S. users. But if most of the users are U.S. on these prop firms and they get high traffic, it's always a good sign that they're a legit company. It's like the first telltale sign. Obviously, you could do your due diligence and you look it up on like you look up Reddit and reviews and stuff like that. All right, so let's see here. So this is how much traffic they get. 3.8 million visitors last month or the month before, which is a ton. They're ranked, their global rank out of all websites that are out there. It's pretty high. All right, and then this is the other thing. The average visit duration for almost 5 minutes. That's a lot. That means because we're all we're in there. We stay logged in to we're going in there adding fucking evals, all that shit. And then here's the other one. 70% of their traffic comes from the United States. 3% Canada, Australia. Like these are like the top five, four of the top five: U.S., Canada, Australia, United Kingdom. That accounts for 74, 77, almost 80% of all their traffic. So that's always a good sign. Let's see. Let's see what the funded trader is. They might be the same. Not in terms of traffic, but their ratio. The funded trader, yeah, they have the funded trader program.com. The funded trader, yeah, they don't even have a fucking site. The funded fuck program. Their rank's pretty high too. 4 million visitors. 17% is from the United States. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really sure about them. M. Cooley, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for the support. No, that had nothing to do with the volume, bro. I know that had nothing to do with the volume. That had to do with me getting in a dumb trade. But like, I honestly could give a fuck less. It's a $37 eval account. Whoop de fucking do. I'll just get another one and get it funded. My rate, my pass ratio right now is like 35 to 40%. So whatever. I'll just get another one if I want to even get another Apex account. I'll just. Oh, well, right now they have 80% off. They have 80% off any size eval. That's the first thing. Say. Use this coupon code. Apex coupon code. This will get you 80% off. And then they're doing 1 day to pass, which is why I was pushing. I was trying to pass in 1 day. That coupon code will get you 80% off any size eval. So like a 50K eval is $37. That's why I said I don't give a fuck about the $37. It is what it is. And then versus whatever. I don't know what the funded trader is, but Apex is usually. I don't think so. I mean, were you? What's up, Top Frag? I don't really know your situation. Well, that's just a promo. So you could literally, if you, well, have you traded? You've obviously traded prop firms. Say. Hey, Frag, I'll get back to you. Sometimes it takes more. Sometimes it takes longer than other times. If you were able to request a withdrawal, you should be good. So it still says pending for you. I don't know. I don't know what their process is, how they go through it. Maybe they feel bad for me because I've nuked 61 fucking funded accounts. I don't know, bro. So say. I don't, dude. I should. They were giving me. It's a long story. I'd rather not get into, but they're being fucking little bitches about it. So I'm still. I'll press them again. I'll ask them again another time. I'm not gonna sweat it. Yeah, I want it to be 0-day. They're fucking being. I'm way over the minimum requirement to get a custom coupon code. So they're just being fucking annoying. It's always like they just like to make you jump through hoops. But say they're just super cheap because they're super aggressive and they know a ton of people are signing up and they've kind of conditioned the market. They've conditioned the market that buys from them. They run sales all the time. They're always running 80% off. They're always running 90% off, 1 day to pass, all this shit. And when they're not running those sales, their default discount rate is 71%, which isn't that good when you're always at 80 and 90. So they're not always at 90. They do 90 once in a while. But 80, like what's happening is people are just conditioned and trained to wait for the better deals. So they probably do a lot less sales when they're at 71% than they do when they're at 80 because people just wait because they know they're going to do another sale. So perfect example, they've been running. First it was, I don't even know, President's Day, 80% off, one day to pass. That was, or whatever, March Madness, 80% off towards the end of the month. And then April, it was a celebration because they paid out the most money. They set a new record for payouts. So they did, with marketing, you always want to have a reason why to do something. So they always come up with a new reason why to have a big sale, to give 80% off. But it's because they don't make nearly as much money when they're only at 71% off. So people just wait for the next 80%. Literally been running an 80-cent promotion, just calling it a different type of promotion, giving it a different name for like 2 months now. They did all of April because it was they were celebrating record payouts, and then now it's May. Now they're calling it May Madness. We're still at 80%. 80% one day to pass. I feel like that's going to be the norm for them. The one-step eval, you just got to go up. You just got to hit your profit goal. You hit your profit goal. So on a 50K, it's 3,000 on a 50K, for example. You hit your profit goal. You could do it in as little as one day. You don't need to force it. You could do it in as long as you want. But you hit that profit goal, and then the next day they'll let you upgrade, or even the same day, like later on in the day after the market closed, they'll let you upgrade. They'll let you, you pay to upgrade, and then so it's basically a two-step because then you have to hit a profit. Then when you're a funded trader, when you got a performance account, you have to hit another profit goal, which on a 50K, you have anything over 20. Once you hit 2,600, you basically eligible to receive a withdrawal. But there's timelines you have to do. You have to trade 10 consecutive days. You have to do it from in between withdrawal periods. They don't make it super easy for you, but it just means you just got to be a disciplined trader. Yes, you could get, yeah. So you could get an account right now. You could get an account right now, even though the market's about to close. But let's just say, and you go all in with 10 minis, and the market goes down or up. You go in all in long, and the market goes up 15.25 points. You'll be at 53,000. You'll be just over 53,000, and you pass, and then you'll pass in one day. That will count as your one day. You could do it tomorrow, just work your way up. But I don't recommend doing 10. I only did it because why the fuck not? I'm so used to nuking and passing evals at this point. Um, but yeah, hell yeah, use my coupon code right here, bro. Don't forget about me. It's the same deal as Apex advertises on their site, but you'll be supporting your new friend. You'll be supporting the channel. That'll get you 80% off and lock you in for one day to pass. But don't try to force it unless you're good at trading. Unless you know what you're doing. You don't need to pass in one day. When they don't run a sale, it's 7 days. But they haven't been at 7 days in so. Thanks, bro. Really appreciate it. They haven't done 7 days, and it feels like it's been months. 7 days was their standard, which is fine. 7 days or more. Now it's one day. So you could do it in 3 days. It doesn't matter. You could do it in 4 days. Like, who cares? But they know they get more money when they do one day to pass because people like to, people love they want instant gratification, and they're taking advantage of the fact that people like instant gratification. So with this one day to pass, everybody's trying to pass their accounts, making big moves, maybe irresponsible trades, and then they get more money from people nuking their evals and going to get more to try again. Especially when people go full tilt. I've had days when I would go full tilt because I'll nuke a funded account, or I'm just trying to get a funded account and I keep failing the fucking eval. Next thing I know, I bought 8 to 10 evals in the same day just to pass one or two. So who wins? They win. The only way we win against these prop firms is when we secure a fucking payout. That's how we win. That's the only way we win. So, and they know that. That's good, man. So you'll be all right with this. You like the ES, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. But yeah, Apex, Apex is cool. Apex is good. I don't know if they're the best, but they're up there. I like them. I like Take Profit Trader. I'm going to try Top Step. I'm going to give them a try. I might even try Trade Day. I was looking at Trade Day too. But yeah, I'm not married to any of them. I'm only like, commit. I'm committed to Take Profit Trader and Apex because I'm working. I want to get my tuition back, if, so to speak, for lack of a better term. I paid some tuition with both of them, and I want to get it all back and then some. So that's where I'm at with that. Yeah, Bullinox isn't bad. The issue with Bullinox is that's awesome, Tapa. I can't trade with Bullinox unless I get like a third party something or other to log into a Windows interface. I'm not doing that. I can't use Bullinox because Rhythm they only let you trade with Rhythmic, and Rhythmic is a PC desktop application. But yeah, Bullinox is cool. And my boy that trades on that has an account with Bullinox because he's on a desktop. He actually likes Rhythmic better than Tradeovate. Yeah, Apex. I mean, Apex is easy to pass, but it's not easy to get paid. Um, yeah, it definitely makes you better. It'll humble. It's just, I mean, you've been doing it long enough to know that just when you think you're the man, the market will humble you. you know, all the time. Yeah, I know. They were doing that for a while. What's up, Bull Tent? Hope all is well, my friend. Yeah, they had 90% off. You could get like with Bullnox, you could get 50K test accounts for like $17 or some shit, just like Apex. When they do 90%, a 50K account's like $17.90. It's awesome. I can't wait for them to do that again. Where did my fucking? I don't even know where my screen went. Oh, hold on a sec. Uh, I got so many tabs open on my other laptop. It's insane. Hey, Eben R, if you're still hanging out on the stream, thanks for the subscribe. Appreciate it, man. I know you've been popping on the stream a bunch of times, but I guess you weren't subscribed, but now you are, so I appreciate it. I missed some trades too, Bull, and I forced some trades, and unfortunately, I nuked one of my funded accounts, and then I have another funded account. Well, this is an eval that I nuked, whatever. Um, this one I only traded a little bit, but I did secure. You notice my trailing max drawdown is no longer 2,655; it's only 667. That means I got approved. My payout request is officially approved, um, which is awesome. So I traded this a little. I was up as much as $30. I was only trading 1 or 2 micro time. I'm up $12. I fucked this account up. I started my day real shitty, like the regular trading hour day. That's unfortunate. This one I thought I completely nuked. This one was a weird one because I wasn't locking in gains or I wasn't getting filled. Like it was just a fuck. Today was just a shitty trading day. Um, but I do have $75 left here, so I'm gonna nurse this one back, maybe 1 or 2 micros at a time. See if I could do it. I've tried to do that multiple times and like declared it, like I'm gonna nurse this back, see if I can do it, and like I haven't been successful yet, but I will try it with this one and see if I could give myself some room so I could get back into trading minis and build it up faster. But we'll see. We'll see how this one goes. I'm not going to completely write it off as a loss. $75 is workable with one micro at a time in terms of a trailing max drawdown. This account, again, this day was fucked up, but somehow I managed to get up 159 on this one. So I missed getting filled on this one by like, I actually canceled my order and went down another point. And if I would have just left my original order in, I would have gotten like a 15 point move plus, and I would have been done for the day. But I was able to squeak this one up 159. So it is what it is. I'm done for the day with that. I'll take that, especially with the way everything else went. And then my take profit trader account, I was trading this during the overnight yesterday. Yesterday, like throughout the day during the overnight session, and then I streamed last night and pushed. I had it about halfway. I pushed it over the rest of the way. Not halfway, but I was over a little more than $300, and then I was getting close to getting funded or getting over the $3,000 profit goal, and then I was streaming and I pushed it over during the stream. So I have 2 more days I have to trade this account. So yeah, I'm just gonna flip micros tomorrow and Wednesday, and this one's good to go. No consistency violations or anything. So I'll be back on the funded side of things on Thursday. And I took advantage of their 40% off any size test account and $0 upgrade fee. And you can too if you use code ZERODAYJAY. Click on my link in the description below. If you already have a Take Profit Trader account, use ZERODAYJ in the promo code section when you get your next eval. All right, shameless plug over. I'm getting good at that shit. But yeah, so now when they send me the email saying, "Hey, congratulations, you passed all that stuff. Here's the upgrade. Here's your instructions," I won't have to pay to upgrade, which is awesome. So today was a mixed bag. A couple of moments of weakness here in this account. This account was a moment of weakness for sure. This account was a mixture of a moment of weakness and just shit. Just the market was just weird today. It was a combination of both. I was able to fucking not fall victim to any bullshit here. I'll take 159 on today. It's better than fucking negative 2,300. Yeah, man. Bro. I appreciate it, Evan. Now you won't miss any of my videos. So yeah, so overall, a mixed bag of a day today. But the fact that this is approved makes it a very positive day because this is my first ever payout. So that and the fact that I got my Take Profit Trader account over. So basically, yeah, I lost a funded account here, number 63, but I gained a funded account here. So not the end of the world. Why am I looking at Apple? Can't trade Apple. So we're approaching the last 10, 12 minutes of the day. We'll get an algo move one way or the other, but I'm not trading anymore. I'm done. Done. TCG Andy. Well, I'm glad you found me. If you want to feel better about yourself as a trader, you definitely want to watch my videos and follow me on the stream. I've gotten a lot better, but I've nuked a lot of accounts. Like I'm on funded account number 65, and I've nuked 62 of them. But I did secure my first payment, so all of that doesn't matter anymore. It's all in the rearview mirror. I just like to remind myself and other people, because if I can do it, anyone else can too. And I just nuked Apex eval number 317, whatever. It is what it is. But yeah, thanks, Andy. Yeah, big time. I need more of those though. Need it to become a regular occurring thing. That's not that I need it to, but that's the goal, to become more of become a professional. If I'm getting paid every 2 weeks from like Apex and getting paid by Take Profit Trader, you could withdraw like every day at that, with Take Profit Trader, depending on how much is in your account. If I'm getting paid all the time from these prop firms, then yeah, I'd like to, I guess you could, there's guys I would definitely look at that are streamers that I would consider professionals at this, because they get fucking paid all the time. So that's my goal, is to get to the point where I'm getting paid regularly. Um, but yeah, Andy, yeah, I post updates every day on how I'm doing in the prop firms that I work with, and then I stream every day. I like to get on between 1:30 and 2 o'clock Eastern, and I run to and through close. But like a lot of time last lately, I've been getting on around Power Hour, which isn't the worst thing in the world. And then I'll stream. I'll stream during. I mean, I'll trade during the stream, and then even at night, if I'm trading during the overnight after everybody's sleeping in my house, I will pop on and hang out for a couple of hours while I'm trading. Um, that usually happens like 3 or 4 times a week. I did it last night. Pushed my Take Profit Trader account over during the stream last night, during the overnight stream. So that's cool. So yeah, like I said, mixed bag today. But thanks for hanging out, man. Yeah, say So you don't want to. What will happen is if you're in a position right before the market closes, the futures markets close at 2 o'clock PST, which is that applies to us, and 5 o'clock Eastern time. Um, if you're in a position, they'll just liquidate you. They'll take you out of your position. So just beware because what will happen is you think you're gonna get the move, and then sometimes they'll even take you out sooner. I wouldn't even like anything after 155. I wouldn't even take a fucking position. And look what we've been doing for the last 20 minutes. I wouldn't do anything unless it was like unless we had earnings or something. Some earnings that would impact the NQ or the ES. Like there's no reason to be trading right now. So like I'm done. I'm not trading. I'm not taking any trades here. It's just fucking chopping around. It's pointless. Bull tent, yeah. That's all. That's what I'm going to look to do. Yeah, it's doable. You just got to be really patient and be really conservative. $20, man. That's true. I had that, dude. I had that on one of my other ones. I was like down to like 16, and then it was 6. It's tough, but it's doable. It's definitely doable. You just gotta wait for the primo setups and hope it works out. When you get filled, you gotta hope it doesn't like wick the wrong way before the move happens. Like at in one micro, that's 10 points, wipes you out. But yeah, 20. If you could do it with 20, I could do it with 75. And 400 is definitely 400 is you could work from there easily. Yeah. 200. How large? What were you in? How many were you in? What was your size? Probably like 5 to 10. I don't know what size account you got. That's funny, bro. Yeah, you know what you're doing. Just be careful with the trailing max drawdown because it'll hit you quick if you're going full. If you're going full all the way in, going all in with 10 minis, that trailing max drawdown will creep up on you fast if you're not careful. So just keep that in mind. On a 50K, you have a $2,500 trailing max drawdown. Thanks, Bull Tent. Appreciate you. Micros, okay. What are the Dow micros? What's the symbol for Dow? Dow. Oh, MYMM and YMM. Okay. I like minis. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. I like minis personally. Micros, I don't like micros. Yeah, YM, yeah. YM mini, YM micro. Yeah, I see it. Cool guys. Yeah, you're better off not using minis. 50 cents a tick. Thanks, Peter. Seems like a lot of you guys know about. I didn't even know that. I wasn't even thinking about it. I just look at the Nasdaq. I just traded the NQ. I've traded PES. I mean, there's so many of them. I've traded NK before too. That's the Japan market or China. No, it's China. NK. That shit is crazy. Yeah, it's just There's not much movement right now. So I guess you traded either this move or this move. Yeah, here's the algo candle to the downside. Yeah, Nick. Yeah, Japan. That's what it is. The NK. Yeah, I don't. The key word is I've traded the NK. You guys ever trade HO? That shit is fucking crazy. HO is insane, especially if you get in. You'll get in if you try to trade it during the overnight. The spread is so bad, you'll get in one mini of those, and you're down 700 before anything even happens. I've traded crude before. That one's also crazy. You know, I fucked around and found out with a lot of this stuff in the beginning, but I settled on the NQ. Like I just only, I just want to get good at one. You only need to get good at trading one of these. That's how I see it. Yeah, $25 a tick. It's fucking crazy. That's how the ES though is on minis. What's up, Bruce Lean? Yeah, facts. Say Sace. Should I call you Say Sace or 66? Yeah, oil is cool, man. I just, yeah, you kind of got to pay attention to what's going on beyond just what's on the charts with oil, I think. But then again, I mean, do you really? I don't know. I guess you could just read the charts, but I'll just stick with the NQ. I'm finally getting good at the NQ. And what does that even mean? Compared to who? Yeah, 10 micros is one mini. Jamila, what's going on? Yeah, a lot of people have done that. A lot of people they got tired of the craziness with the NQ and they moved on to gold. You're not the first person to say that, Jamila. Yeah, yeah, exactly. There's people find like you know, they find their sweet zone or their sweet spot, and you don't need to trade 100 different things. You need to get good at one. What is the Bruce Lee saying? Practice one kick 10,000 times. So what is the quote? I fear not the man. Yeah, here it is. I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Bruce Bruce Lee, 10,000 kicks. See, be water, my friend. I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. So I'm basically with the NQ, I'm practicing the same kick. I don't even know if I'm up to 10,000 times, but let's just say I'm up to 1,000 times with the same kick, the NQ. You know what I mean? You got to just get good at one thing. But anyway, I'm gonna call it a day. We're basically market's about to close. I gotta make my update videos, and I gotta. Uh, I think my wife's waiting for me to go do some store stuff with her. I think I have to do some grocery shopping with her. So I got to get my update videos in. I got another video I want to post, and I got some actual work to do besides this stuff. Where do you check? Where do I check the days to trade? Oh, it'll tell you here. It'll update. So I'm in the dashboard right now of Apex. Why am I in ATF? But whatever. I'm in the dashboard of Apex. You go to eval charts, and whatever evals you're on, it'll tell you what days you're on. So like this is the one you saw. This is the one that I have in the account right now that's live or that I nuked. It's on day one, so it'll be a day behind until everything updates later on in the day. But you do it right here. Eval charts and this PA charts are the funded accounts. Um, what the fuck is flattened accounts? Oh, that's interesting. Like if you're in the hospital or something, that's cool. Anyway, so yeah, uh, I'll talk to you guys soon. Yeah, the consistency is good. Like, you don't have to worry about the consistency rule until you get funded, until you're on the funded side of things with Apex. There's no consistency rule on eval accounts to pass. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna run. It was good hanging out with everybody. Uh, thanks for hanging out on the stream whenever you came on. I appreciate the support. I'll be doing it again tomorrow. If you're not a subscriber to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button, like all that fun stuff. Leave a comment. Uh, thanks for stopping by, and I will talk to you guys soon. All right.